Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to enable autoplay on Viki. To enable autoplay feature on the Viki application, first of all, launch the Viki app open on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Once you end up in the home page, go ahead and select a movie or a show that you'd like to play. After you start playing the show or the movie, go ahead and tap on anywhere on the middle of the screen to bring up the playback options. From the menu, tap on the three dots at the top right, and this will bring up these several options. To enable autoplay for this particular show or movie, tap on the autoplay option. Now, click on, and once enabled, you can close the settings and enjoy seamless viewing with episodes playing automatically. And that's how you can easily enable autoplay on Viki. Now, you won't have to manually start the next episode. It'll play automatically so you can binge watch your favorite shows effortlessly. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Viki tips and other streaming hacks. Stay tuned for more easy to follow guides. Thank you for watching.